Introduce yourself, please.
I'm Tom Philipar. I'm from San Clemente, California.
Okay.
And I built this Diamond T truck. It was an old logging truck. It was a 2-ton truck, and I converted it into a woody wagon. And I did all the fabrication, all the bumpers, running boards, the rack, all the hardware, the woodwork I did myself. I put in 22.5 gallons of varnish on it, and did all the body work, and I created this thing from scratch. So everything's all hand built, all custom built, and didn't have any help with anything except for the finish paint and interior.
This is absolutely amazing. We got to take a walk around it. Let's take a look.
Okay, great.
Guys, 22.5 gallons of varnish, and this is built from a Diamond T truck. Look at the vinyl roof work here. Wow. Look at this interior. Amazing. And you did all this work now.
All the work myself, yes.
You did the upholstery and everything?
I didn't do the upholstery or the finished paint. All
Right.
two things.
It makes perfect sense.
The truck.
Look at the way the doors work on this thing.
Yes.
Look at this, man. You got so much room in here.
And the top and everything, and
Look at this roof, you guys. Now I can see where 22.5 gallons of varnish went.
yeah.
Holy moly.
And I did all the
Dude, this is art.
and all
This
the,
is freaking
all
art.
the window hardware. I did all the hardware.
So this is just amazing.
I'll open it up for you here. Let me open this up here.
Okay.
Tail lights off of 41 Chrysler, and then I use all the hardware, everything stainless steel, everything stainless steel, and all the handles, everything in here is all hand built.
This is all handles, everything are hand fabricated.
Yes, yeah, all on that anvil, counted it all out.
This is a one of a kind right here. Speaking about a one of a
I
kind,
was just gonna say, you're a one of a kind yourself.
look at you. This is completely hand
I
fabricated.
know. I talked to him earlier. What up, guys?
Really? Ryan, what's up, brother?
talking to him. Yeah.
Look at this guy. We at the Great Lakes in the
You know the
house.
deal.
What's up, sweetie? Yeah, dude, you have. My hat's off to you. This is a hell. How long did it take you to do it?
It took me 5 years, and I just work on weekends.
I am completely blown away. What do you have under the hood?
Okay, I'll show you the hood. Yeah, just get underneath there.
The wheels are.
Off a Humvee, and I adapted to this. Yes.
Oh, look at that! You got locking hubs on.
Yeah.
1,000-pound winch,
Yeah.
aero lights.
Yeah.
Look at this thing, man. It just keeps going and going and going.
That's all the
Which
intercooler in
Cummins
it.
is this?
It's a 5.9 Cummins diesel, 93.
Okay.
And with the hydromatic boost I put in it, it has the intercooler, and it's all
Turbo.
a stock. Oh, it's on a 93 Dodge 4-wheel drive diesel undercarriage. So I
Nice.
put the body right on here.
Oh, okay. So you did
Yeah.
you did a full frame switch on
Yes,
and everything.
yeah, exactly.
Look at that. You got all your plates.
Yeah, all the plates, everything.
Yeah,
All,
this thing is like, you would think that it's a complete factory build that is just unheard of and never been seen before.
and then light on top, it rotates around to a Mars light. It rotates around, so you're on the railroad tracks. They have the old trains, has a light that rotates around.
Wow. Mars light. huh?
Mars light, yeah, it rotates around. So when I put it on the tracks, I put the Mars light on. It rotates around like the old trains had.
Wow. Well, I tell you what, this is just a piece of art. I am completely blown away seeing it. I'm really glad I got to pretty much finish up
And also the I put rivets in everything, so there's no bolts in this truck at all. I use all rivets.
Really?
So all the brackets, everything that's brackets on here are all riveted. So you look on the undercarriage here, you'll see on the other side, they're all rivets on there. There's no bolts.
Incredible.
No bolts at all, just like they did in the factory. So
Wow. Well, I tell you what, this is one of my top pieces of the day here. I'm just blown away by it. And this is some of the stuff that you see here at the Grand National Truck Show. And look at that, you've got Safari windows on it. Badass. What a truck. Just wow. What's your name?
Oh, yeah, Brian, yeah.